How to add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, if you want to add someone on Snapchat by searching their name, then the message will go to the person by saying that you have added them by searching their name. So, if you want to avoid that, what you're simply going to do is first open Snapchat on your device. Now go to add friends option. After that, search for a name you want to add. Let's search for a simple name, Mark. Now we can see many names having Mark. So if we add them like this, then they will receive a notifications that we have added them by searching their name. But in order to avoid it, what we can do is click on their profile and then you can see the option add over here. Click on add. Now they won't see that you have added them by searching their name. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you like it and see you in the next one.